Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a photo a background on Canva. Once on Canva, you can select the design that you would like to use. So for example, we will be designing an Instagram post. After selecting the design, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can either select uploads from the left-hand menu option and upload your photo by selecting upload files, or you can select elements and use a copyright-free photo. So let's say for example this photo, we'll simply drag and place it on our design. Then you're going to tap on the three dots and you're going to select set image as background. Once you have set the image as background, what I like to do is then select the entire page, then tap on the transparency icon from the top navigation bar, and you can pull the transparency to the left so you can see right there. So the background is not too dominant. So after doing this, from there you could go over to the left hand menu option and you could choose to add text, or you can add any other thing you want to the design right here. Also, if you would like to lock the background, you can do that by simply selecting the background, then tap on the three dots, then you could tap on lock background. So that means that nothing else can be added to the background, so the picture won't move or anything, so you can add other layers to it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.